Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't play with your food. My name is Mdevaan and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for hitting the link on this video. Thank you. Have you hit the subscribe button? Alright guys, today I want to make a fruit platter for a road trip. So I am working with three different fruits, but for this video I'm going to concentrate on how I do my watermelon and then assemble at the end of the video. As you can see, I cut my watermelon into two halves. They are not totally equal, but two halves, and I'm going to be using one half for the platter and the smoothies that I'm making this morning. Now, watermelon is so good for detoxifying your system. The water content is off the chart, and gosh, look at how good it looks. But one of one of my fears is opening a white watermelon on camera. Anyways, medical people can't seem to make up their mind. Today they tell us don't take watermelon with the seeds. Tomorrow they tell us blend it with the seeds to make it better. Well, for this platter, I'm not going to use the seeds because there's nothing as annoying as when you're taking watermelon and you have to keep throwing out the seeds. Well, for some people, they say that's the thing they like about it, but I don't like it. And then obviously, road trip, different people, you don't want anybody spitting seeds into your car. Very annoying, or spitting outside the window. Oh my god, I think that's worse. I think that's worse. All right, focus. Okay, so we're just cleaning up the watermelon. Doing fruits is just very easier because you're sure of what you're eating, you're sure of the natural sugars, and then if you clean it yourself, you're sure of it being super hygienic. So I'm just going to remove the seeds and just piece them so that we can just pick them up with toothpicks in the car easily and eat without having to worry about large chunks. And most times, either when you're buying watermelon, it's quite hard to know what you want. But for me, it's just like a guessing game. Let's buy this big one and see whether it's be red inside. So yeah, this watermelon is one of my favorite fruits, especially when it's cold. It's so refreshing, and then it's just everything. So I'm using a three-piece platter. I'm going to use the big one for watermelon, obviously, because that's the fruit that I like today. Well, most times, and then the two other smaller parts will carry fruits that's not too feeling I don't feel too great about. Okay, I'm going to plate pawpaw in this one. I'm not really a fan of pawpaw. I can stand pawpaw maybe like in a smoothie, but not eating directly. It's just very mushy. And then I'm just gonna plate our watermelon here, and then I'm topping the other area with pineapple. I love pineapples. I love apples. I love pineapples. So I'm going to stick my toothpicks into the fruits. But then if you're going to seal this, you need to be careful. If depending on your movement and then presentation, you can actually present just what I just did for your guests at home, or if you're going on a trip like I am, you bend the toothpicks, the fruits that are carrying toothpicks, make sure you bend them so they don't poke directly out of your sealed platter. So this is what I just do, and then I'm sealing the other side, which was a bit open, and we are done. It's not so complicated. I love fruit platters. They're just so easy, super easy. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Hit the subscribe button, and I hope you're going to try this.